everyone's going to like it. Today we're making a different cake. Put 2 flours of 2 cups, a spoon, next we have to put baking soda. Crack the egg and put it out. Okay. Now we have to put a spoon of some Nutella. Cup. Two spoons of Nutella. Now, whoa! It looks like super duper chocolate.
No.
First, we have to put chocolate and flour. Now you have to mix it like perfectly. Now we put this cake in the microwave. Close it. Now, whoa! It looks so cool. It looks like it actually now is ready. Now we're going to take it out. And then we're going to eat it from the plate. First, yummy, let's cut it. Now we're going to eat it. Whoa, it looks like flour. It looks so big, big, big. Wow, Mommy, you made it so quick. Everyone's going to like it.